Hi, Dr. Katina here. I just wanted to come on quickly and give you an idea if you are teaching your child your phone number or your zip code or something else. I know there are lots of great free hacks going around on the internet, but I just want to show you how I teach it with the plates. And you may have seen some videos with plates, they're really cool. So what I do is, if you're doing a phone number, for example, I would put up a plate, and when I do my numbers, I actually put a little arrow to show the directionality. So I put the numbers up with an arrow, and rather than have a child just touch their number, and I'm just going to put out a fake number right now, if you're a Gen X person, 867-5309, probably looks pretty familiar. Okay, so you could start by calling out 8 and having your child touch 8, 6, 7, and touch them. But more importantly, the way I like to teach this is with some colors and some rainbow writing. So you could give your child the phone number, okay, I'm just going to put this down for a second, and then have them actually go and rainbow write right over the numbers. So say it was 8, and then I'm going to go to 6, and see I've got a directionality arrow, 6, 7, again, you can put your arrows, your start bumps, etc. And then the next day, or later on, they could do the same activity with a green marker. So this way it gets reinforced, you can use the plates over and over, and then when you're totally done with them, what's great about this is that it really doesn't bleed through, so you can actually still use them to eat off of. So that's the hack for the day. You could do your phone number, you could do your zip code, you could do any kind of information, even numerical date of birth, but it's a really fun activity and something hopefully you can do at home to pass the indoor time these days. That's it.